Alright guys, how are you doing? So I just thought I'd make a little video for you because I heard on the grapevine that the reason that Le Drib is so smooth is because whenever he has his bait, he puts a little secret ingredient on it. So I've heard what it is and I'm going to try it myself. I'm going to turn the camera on now and I'm going to show you. So what we have here is just your typical Chinese chicken sandwich from the butcher shop. No salad because it's from the butchers, you didn't get salad from butchers. And a small ham and cheese quiche. Now this strategy will work with any combination of sandwich and quiche or sandwich and pie or whatever you might be having for your lunch. But the trick is down to these. Now this is a prop. I bent this yesterday when I was out flying, and so the idea is that you basically grind your prop up into like a crystalline dust and then sprinkle it on your food. So we're gonna give it a little go. So with the help of a bit of FPV magic, we're gonna turn this prop into this crystalline dust. So we'll see if this works. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's worked. It's worked. Right. So now all we do is just get a bit of it and just sprinkle it on. Use a little bit more. Yeah, about that much. That's perfect. Now we'll put some on the sandwich as well. And then we'll give it a try. And when I'm going to try and go out flying soon, so next time I'm flying I'll tell you if it's made any difference. Yeah, so that's the trick basically, just right there lads. It's basically just sprinkle a bit of prop dust on your bait every day, and if you do that for 3 weeks, and you have like 4 baits a day, you should be sweet. And then, you know, in 3 weeks time I'll be flying like the Drib. So stick around, subscribe, and you know, you can follow me progress and see if it works. Catch you later.